Alright, so today we're just loading up. We're going to go and see CGM trays and canopies in Warhope. They've got a Raptor chassis that we can scan today, so we're going to go over and we'll get that all scanned up and that'll be available online shortly. See you soon. Alright, so what we're doing here is the rear chassis of the vehicle. We're also doing the dash area and the roof for future manufacturing projects. This scanner system allows us to use no markers at all, and it's also tether free, allowing us to move around the vehicle as long as we're in the tracker system. There's nothing needed at all. The laptop is still mounted in the van on the other side of the driveway. We've got a tablet that lets us see the screen as we're scanning, so no need for tethered items to be following you around the job. Yeah, up high, nothing like that. So no tethers, no markers, no nothing. So we're able to leapfrog this system around line by features and keep moving pretty rapidly to get all the data that we need for it.
One, two, three, four.
Working with a tether-free system allows us to be up high, safely, ladders, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, it saves us a lot of hassles with cords, laptops, everything following you around. As you can see, the tripod's on the back of the car, not even near where we're working. You've got no cables to trip on up and down ladders. Just makes it really versatile. And as I said before, the laptop's still in the van, like we're not even using it. It's just streaming straight to the laptop. So yeah, very awesome bit of kit and makes it very safe and very easy to get around the job site. We're going to be doing a heap more videos like this with all the different stuff that we use and why we use it. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.